I'm standing on the border of Israel. Just over my right shoulder is Lebanon, and Lebanon is being defended by Hezbollah. I want every listener to be informed of this fact, that Israel faces the Iranian army every day. They have trained Hezbollah and they have trained Gaza. They have supported them financially and they have manned them militarily. These two military organizations, Hamas and Hezbollah, have 40,000 rockets, and they launch those rockets into Israel with impunity. They do it at will. You don't hear about it in the American media, but it happens on a regular basis. When the Israeli citizens hear the sound of the alarm, they have 30 to 45 seconds to get in the bomb shelter. These soldiers stand on this border to defend Israel and to alert Israel of any kind of military action being initiated by Hezbollah. I want you to get in your mind that Iran is the poison well that is poisoning the Middle East. Iran is the nation that has said, we want to wipe Israel off of the map. These young men and thousands more like them stand every day to defend the nation of Israel, and they deserve our support. I'm saying this as an American citizen to all American citizens. If there was ever a time to stand up and speak up for Israel, it's right now. In spite of the distance the White House is trying to put between Jerusalem and Washington, we the people have the right and the authority and the obligation to stand up and speak up for Israel. I'm John Hagee, and that's how I see it.